Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yeast donuts at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, granulated sugar, milk, eggs, butter, and a pinch of salt. Make sure your yeast is fresh. This is crucial for a good rise. Gently warm your milk to around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for activating the yeast without killing it. Combine these initial ingredients to start your dough. Once your yeast is bubbly, combine it with the remaining wet ingredients and then gradually add your dry ingredients. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Now it's time to knead. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes either by hand or with a stand mixer until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 0.5-inch thickness. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to create your donut shapes. Place these on parchment-lined baking sheets, cover them, and let them rise for a second time, about 30 to 45 minutes. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the donuts for 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze. Whisk together powdered sugar, a few tablespoons of milk, and a splash of vanilla extract until smooth. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, allowing the excess to drip off. Place them on a wire rack to set. These homemade yeast donuts are truly a treat. Remember to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.